Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be showing you my epic keychain setup. I've got two modes, a lanyard mode and a belt mode, which I'll talk about more later in this video. I decided to make this video to tease my everyday carry video that's coming later this year. If you're interested in that, you know what to do. I'll try to list everything I mentioned in the description, by the way. Let's move on to the keys first. I have my car key fob, just like me, that has a cheap silicone cover on it from Wish. The bad thing is that it took over a month to get to me, but it's so worth the wait. The quality is pretty good, and there's this cutout for the logo on the back to let everyone know that I drive a Honda Civic. The most important thing is that it protects the key fob from drops. I've dropped my keys many times without a problem, and I don't have to worry about scuffing up the key fob. Attached to that at all times is this boosted status jet tag. It's pretty durable, super high quality, and just matches with the key fob. No signs of wear and tear yet besides the carabiner because of all that metal on metal action. What's cool is that the carabiner has a little lock mechanism so you don't accidentally open it. Next are my house keys. My house keys are on this KeySmart Pro in white. I love having the ability to open my doors with just one hand. The Pro version comes with a tile built in as well as a flashlight that you do need to keep charged up. Oh, and there's also a little bottle opener if you ever need one. I know I always do. Wink wink. Something that's really overlooked is a flashlight, since everyone has their smartphones nowadays. However, I personally think that everyone should carry a flashlight even if it's as small as this one because they're much more powerful than a smartphone's flash. This is the Maritac Brass Peanut and it has patinaed very nicely. It has two different brightnesses, a rechargeable battery, and it's barely noticeable on your keys. My most recent addition to my keychain is this little bottle of hand sanitizer that I got from work. Okay, it's not that little, but it's nice not having to refill as much. It's also unlabeled, which gives it a really clean look. This is an essential these days. Yes. Now let's get on to the more fun stuff. Next up, we got the jet tags that I carry aside from the boosted status one that I mentioned earlier. The first one I want to show you is this reflective black pink one that I got from my friend that he got from his trip to Korea. Shout out to you, Brian. It's a little too flashy for me, but I still like to carry it on me anyways because, you know, Blackpink. The rest are more car oriented. I have a purple Illiminate Jet Tag, a purple Acuity Jet Tag, and a VQ Culture Jet Tag that's a little bit longer than the purple ones. I personally don't own a car with a VQ engine, but I like to carry it for fun. Now let's talk about the two different modes for carrying my keys. The lanyard mode has recently become my default for carrying my keys now. Currently, I have 3 different lanyards that I can choose from. I have this cute stitch lanyard, this lanyard from JDM Surikawa, and my most favorite one of all, you guessed it, this black pink lanyard that I got off of Wish. I think it looks really cute and it's the perfect length for me. I usually use the lanyard to hold my keys in my hand or put it around my neck. I can't really put my keys in my pocket anymore without it bulging out a bunch because there's just too much stuff now. The other mode is where I have it hanging from my waist using the Zack Tool key ring holder. I really love this product because it's super cheap, looks really clean, and you can access your keys really fast. You just have to attach it to your belt and you're good to go. You can hang your keys from any side of your waist as long as you have a belt. I like to keep my key fob on one of the belt loops so that the length looks the same between all my keys. I don't really need quick access to my car key anyways since my car doesn't need a key to start. Last but not least, sometimes I like to attach my AirPods to my keychain if I'm wearing something light like basketball shorts. I know, my keychain is already huge, and I'm adding yet another thing to it, but whatever. I kind of like it, and I don't really have to carry around a bag with me. That's pretty much it. That's my epic EDC keychain setup. It's quite a lot, I know, but I hope this video pumped you up for my upcoming everyday carry video. You could probably tell it's not really minimalistic. As always, I'll try to leave everything I mentioned in this video in the description. You know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and check out my social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!